Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. I just got something cool. So it's this. So this is like actually really cool. Like it's a good package, but it's open since I tried opening. Like you can see this. But let's open it either ways. Okay. So I'm going to be showing you this. So let me open it. Let me go like that. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I'm just gonna bring it like right over here. So leave a like if you can see this. Open this part. What's this? Oh, it's actually pretty cool. Yo, sick! Look! Oh, freak! These are sick! Yo, sheesh! Yo, sick! Y'all can see them right over here. See them. I'm like 3D printed, but that was it for today, guys. Bye!